Eye contact is one of the most powerful ways to communicate with your body language. It can convey interest, attention, respect, confidence, and even attraction. But how do you use eye contact effectively? Here are some tips to help you master this skill. First, you need to establish eye contact with the person you are talking to or listening to. This means looking at their eyes for about 60% to 70% of the time. This shows that you are engaged and interested in the conversation. Avoid staring or looking away too often, as this can make you seem rude or nervous. Second, you need to vary your eye contact depending on the situation and the message you want to send. For example, if you want to show confidence and authority, you can use direct and steady eye contact. This can also help you assert your point or persuade someone. However, if you want to show empathy and rapport, you can use softer and more frequent eye contact. This can also help you build trust and connection. Third, you need to use eye contact in combination with other body language cues. For example, if you want to show interest and attraction, you can use eye contact along with smiling, nodding, leaning in, and mirroring. These signals can enhance your eye contact and make it more positive and effective. However, if you want to avoid conflict or aggression, you can use eye contact along with relaxing your facial muscles, lowering your voice, and keeping a comfortable distance. These signals can reduce the intensity of your eye contact and make it more respectful and polite. Eye contact is a powerful tool that can help you boost your confidence and influence. By following these tips, you can use eye contact to show interest and confidence in any situation. How to use gestures and posture to convey authority and enthusiasm when you are speaking in front of an audience. You want to appear confident and enthusiastic about your topic. But how can you do that with your body language? In this section, we will explore some tips and techniques to use gestures and posture to enhance your communication and influence. First, let's talk about gestures. Gestures are the movements of your hands, arms, head, and face that accompany your speech. They can help you illustrate, emphasize, or clarify your points, as well as express your emotions and attitudes. For example, if you want to show confidence and authority, you should use gestures that are open, assertive, and controlled, such as pointing, palm down, or steepling. These gestures signal that you are confident in your message and that you have the power to make decisions. On the other hand, if you want to show empathy and rapport, you should use gestures that are closed, supportive, and relaxed, such as nodding, smiling, or touching your chest. These gestures signal that you are listening and caring about your audience and that you are willing to cooperate. However, gestures should not be random or excessive. They should match your verbal message and your tone of voice. They should also vary according to the context and the size of your audience. For example, if you are speaking to a large group of people, you should use bigger and more expansive gestures to capture their attention and convey energy. If you are speaking to a small group of people, you should use smaller and more subtle gestures to create intimacy and connection. Second, let's talk about posture. Posture is the way you hold and position your body while standing or sitting. It can affect how your audience perceives your confidence, credibility, and enthusiasm. For example, if you want to show confidence and authority, you should stand tall and straight, but not rigid. This posture conveys that you are confident in yourself and your message and that you are ready to face any challenge. You should also keep an open posture, which means that there is no barrier between you and your audience. This includes your arms, which should be uncrossed and relaxed at your sides or used for gestures. It also includes any objects that might block your view or create distance from your audience, such as a lectern or a laptop. You should avoid these objects or move them aside if possible. On the other hand, if you want to show empathy and rapport, you should lean slightly forward. This posture conveys that you are interested and engaged with your audience and that you are willing to listen and learn from them. You should also mirror their posture, which means that you adopt a similar body position as them. This can create a sense of similarity and trust between you and your audience. However, posture should not be static or unnatural. You should move around occasionally to create variety and dynamism in your presentation. You should also adjust your posture according to the feedback from your audience. For example, if they look bored or distracted, you might want to use more energetic gestures or move closer to them. If they look confused or skeptical, you might want to use more reassuring gestures or move back a bit. In conclusion, gestures and posture are powerful tools to convey authority and enthusiasm in oral communication. By using them effectively, you can enhance your message, influence your audience, and boost your confidence.